As you can see now, we're extracting the product. We came through with the pumpkin ice cream. We have a nice orange tinge to our product, which is the pumpkin. As Bob's extruding it into the tub, we want to make sure that we don't smash the ice cream down, because what's happening in it is the air it's caught is then being released. So we just want to kind of fold it in and out to keep the consistency of the buckets. We want to avoid having any air pockets until we have a full bucket of ice cream. What I like to do too is I pre-chill the buckets in a freezer. So then my cold ice cream is hitting a cold bucket, and it helps keep that temperature that we've established in the machine at a consistent level. There will be nothing better than the ice cream that comes out of a batch machine before it freezes. We've all had soft serve ice cream. That's typically anywhere from 6 to 10% butterfat and 60% overrun in the right machine. Well, this is 14% butterfat and probably about 80% overrun. So we're putting more fat, just a little bit more air. It's going to be rich, creamy, and it's going to be so delicious. When we feel comfortable that we've gotten the product out, we want to just kind of fold it in, level it off, and get ready. Remember, this product needs to go into a hardening cabinet, minus 40, minus 20 degrees for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours. And then we need to bring it to a 0-degree freezer. Now, it can stay in the 0-degree freezer as long as you need it to. But we don't want to leave it in the hardening cabinet too long, because what will happen is it'll crack and it'll affect the ice cream. Then from our tempering freezer, once we have our dipping cabinet, we can move it into our dipping cabinet to serve our customers. One of the great features and benefits of our equipment is our dasher design. It's designed to discharge all of the product into your tub to increase yield, to increase consistency, to make it so you don't have to go in afterwards and scoop product out and put it into your bucket. And this is a very, very, very clean barrel. It also helps during clean time between batches, so we don't have to rinse as long, we don't have to waste as much time maximizing our production. This was our pumpkin ice cream. As you can see, we're just getting ready to put it into the hardening cabinet to freeze down. The nice part about this is what we can do is we can get crumbled graham crackers, we can get some cinnamon, we can dress it up. You can do so many things with your product to make it more visually appealing in the dipping cabinet. You can add those things into the batch machine if you'd like. This is pretty much a basic pumpkin recipe. Pumpkin puree, mixed with your vanilla hard ice cream mix, frozen into the tub. But there's a lot more you can do to differentiate it. You can make more of a pumpkin pie rather than a pumpkin ice cream. And the taste of it is just amazing. Okay? It tastes like you're eating a pumpkin pie. And we're making this in October right now. The fall season, if you have an ice cream store, pumpkin ice cream will be your #1 seller throughout the fall season. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in our hardening cabinet, 6 to 8 hours, put it in our 0-degree freezer, and then we'll have a tub to sell.